Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2009 Ram HD trucks. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer's safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the truck, if necessary, and clear any lines in the work area. Uninstall the spare tire, leaf spring, and exhaust. Step 3. Cut 1/4 inch of material from the bottom of the frame along the length of the rail covered by the repair section. If the leaf spring mount, exhaust hanger, or spare tire crossmember need replacement, cut them off now. If not, remove the corresponding perforations on the frame section. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Step 5. Slide the frame section in place using the frame holes for alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the frame section in place, then weld all edges fully. Install any replacements of parts removed in Step 3 if necessary. Finally, paint the part with rust inhibitor. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall the brake and fuel lines, spare tire, leaf spring, and exhaust.